Today I've got 6 different ways that you can get graphic design clients right now. So tune in and follow along with today's video on how to get more graphic design clients right now and earn more money as a graphic designer. What is up people, welcome back to Satori Graphics, the home of graphic design content right here on YouTube. So I'm going to go along with 6 points today in a quick fire style of video on how to get more graphic design clients for your graphic design career. Now the first one is one I've tried to adopt myself, but literally I have no time. Sometimes I feel like I need to make a clone of myself or cut myself into 2 so I have enough time to do all of the projects that I want. But anyway, the first one is a blog. If you've got a portfolio website or you've got a website in general, start making a blog on graphic design related topics. So you might want to make a blog about logo design or the color theory in graphic design, and then spread that on social media and other places where it's going to be shared among other people and designers. This is going to get you more exposure and it's going to show that you actually know what you're talking about in terms of graphic design. So possible clients are going to be reassured by the fact you have a graphic design blog because it looks like you know what you're talking about, and hopefully you do. But yeah, the first point today is to set up a blog related to graphic design. The second point on how to get more graphic design clients right now is one that I've actually shunned and ignored, but I really should do it, and that is LinkedIn. I'm not really looking for clients right now, but if you're looking for graphic design clients, I suggest that you get on LinkedIn. And if you are on LinkedIn, I suggest updating your profile and making it up to scratch. In this day and age, many employers in the graphic design world will actually go to LinkedIn to check you out before they hire you. This is almost a standard procedure in today's working world. LinkedIn is a really highly professional social media platform for entrepreneurs and business people alike. So make sure you're getting busy on LinkedIn, people. Now the third point in today's video on how to get more graphic design clients is word of mouth. This is pretty self-explanatory. If you make a good piece of design for a client, they're going to tell other people they know in the business world and their friends and family about you and your graphic design work. This has happened to me countless times where I've done a project and then I get an email from someone else a few weeks later saying that they spoke to that person and they liked my work and they need a design doing for themselves. But also what comes into play here is how you talk to your clients or possible clients. Because you need to be polite and you need to be warm and friendly, so people are going to suggest you by word of mouth. But also on the flip side, if you're a negative person and your work isn't actually that great, that word of mouth is going to go around as well. So you really need to pay attention to how you present yourself and the work that you put out, because people do talk and word does get around. Now the fourth point today is actually hashtags in Twitter. I've actually used this quite a lot often going back in my design career. And that is going into Twitter and in the search at the top in hashtags, search like logo or logo design or even graphic design jobs or design jobs. So for example, if you hit up logo design and look through all of the posts, you're actually going to see people who want a logo design and they're actually searching for possible graphic designers through Twitter. What you need to do then is you need to either send them a message in their newsfeed or you can actually add them, like the tweet, and maybe they're going to DM you. What you then have to do is link your portfolio of work to them, because they're not going to hire someone with no portfolio of work when they've got many designers on Twitter to choose from. So again, approach them in a warm and friendly manner and also show them your portfolio of work. But yeah, Twitter could be really useful for getting more graphic design clients right now. Now this is a kind of controversial one, but freelancing websites are getting bigger and bigger with each and every single year. There is actually one freelance website that I do suggest people go and use if they're trying to find some clients and they're actually starting out. Heck, there's even some intermediate to higher level designers who do use people per hour. And I actually used it last month to get a really good design job, because there are actually some good gigs in there if you check it out. People per hour, in my opinion, is more professional than say Fiverr. There are some quite high budget projects in there if you look around, but again, you do need a portfolio of work and you need experience to get those jobs. The only downside is that people per hour now take 20% of any project that you work on. So for example, if you're commissioned $500 to design a logo, they're going to take 100 of those dollars. That's outrageous, that's quite a lot. I remember back in the day when I started out on there, it was 10% commission and then it went up to 15 and now it's 20. So what's next, 25, 30%? Now lastly in today's video on how to get more graphic design clients right now is something about approaching clients or possible clients in person. Many people, businesses get emails every single day asking if they need graphic designers or if they need a logo, etc, etc. If you actually go to these people in person, if you can, make sure you have your portfolio on hand in a physical form. Also, it wouldn't hurt if you designed a brochure or a leaflet explaining who you are in a very creative and very original manner. This is going to wow them, and it's a good way to present yourself and your skills to a potential client in person. So yeah guys, that was my video today of 6 different ways that you can get more graphic design clients right now. Let me know what you guys thought of today's video right down in the comment section below. If you did enjoy my content or find it useful, give it a like and share it on social media so other people can see it too. I'm going to be back tomorrow with a logo design tutorial with a kind of twist. We're going to be modifying the Adobe logo in a really cool and neat manner, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, anyway guys, until next time, design your future today. Peace.